Which welding rod is actually good for thin metal? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Flux Core aluminum rods. We have the 50 pieces Flux Core aluminum rods. These low-temperature welding rods caught my attention because they promise an easy melt, which is a big deal for thin metal. If you want smooth and quick welding without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Aluminum can be tricky to work with, especially if you're dealing with thin sheets. These rods melt at a lower temperature, which means less warping and distortion of your metal. Plus, with over 300 units sold in the past month, it seems like a lot of folks are opting for them. But I'll be real with you, it's important to note that some users mention that the quality can vary from batch to batch. However, if you're primarily focused on convenience and speed for thin materials, these rods can still make your life a lot easier. This is perfect for you if you're new to welding or just need a reliable, quick option. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy-duty or need a specific type of aluminum alloy. Now, if the potential quality inconsistency bothered you, this next option might actually be even better for your needs.
Product number 2, Welder E6013 330 seconds 5LB. The Welder E6013 330 seconds 5LB welding rod. I was drawn to this because it's designed for carbon steel and offers a nice balance between performance and ease of use. If you want a rod that can handle thin metal with great results, this one's worth a look. What's great here is that this rod is suitable for both AC and DC applications, meaning it can adapt to your setup. With super stable arcs and easy slag removal, it's perfect for beginners. The 5LB package is a solid choice for those who want to experiment without breaking the bank. A lot of buyers highlight its ease of operation, which is a game changer for tackling thin metal jobs. But here's the thing, some users found that the arc stability wasn't as good at the lower end of the amperage range. Still, if you're more focused on quality welds for thin materials, it's a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or if you want a reliable rod for everyday use. Skip this one if you need something for very specific or heavy-duty applications. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for your welding needs.
Product number 3, Welder E6013 330 seconds 10LB. The Welder E6013 330 seconds 10LB welding rod, which offers a larger quantity for those of you who are frequently welding. It piqued my interest because it delivers the same quality as the 5LB pack, but in a more economical size. If you want reliability in bulk, this is definitely worth considering. Having 10LB means you won't run out mid-project, and it's still tailored for thin metal. The performance is consistent across the board, with great reviews emphasizing the beautiful weld seams it produces. Plus, it's made to work well across various positions, making it super handy for different projects. However, some buyers mention that the price might be slightly higher compared to other brands, but the durability and performance you get can justify that extra cost for serious welders. This is perfect for you if you have ongoing projects or want to stock up for future work. Skip this one if you only need a rod for one-off tasks or tight budgets. Now, if the price point was a concern, the next product might be just what you need.
Product number 4, Wisuno E6013 330 seconds 1LB. We have the Wisuno E6013 330 seconds 1LB welding rod. I found this one interesting because it's tailored specifically for thin metal structures while being easy to operate. If you want precision welding with a beautiful finish, this might be the one for you. This rod is particularly praised for its super stable arc and beautiful weld seams, making it ideal for thin plate welding. It's designed for low carbon steel, which means you can achieve clean joints that are essential for thin materials. Plus, it features a controlled chemical composition, ensuring high quality welds every time. However, some users reported issues with arc initiation, especially for beginners, but with a little practice, this rod can deliver the quality you're searching for. This is perfect for you if you value aesthetics in your welding and want something that works well with low carbon steel. Skip this if you're looking for versatility with other metal types. Alright, if you are looking for something more beginner friendly, the last product will definitely catch your attention.
Product number 5, Tandeffio 24 pieces low temperature universal welding rod sticks. This caught my eye because it offers a range of applications for both beginners and pros. If you want something flexible for various projects, this is worth a look. These rods are designed for low-temperature welding, which means they melt easily and are perfect for thin materials like stainless steel and iron. The versatility makes them great for DIY projects around the house or even for professional work. However, some users felt that the lower melt temperature might not be suitable for all types of welding. But if you're primarily working with thin metals, this flexibility is a huge advantage. This is perfect for you if you like experimenting with different types of metals and need a reliable rod. Skip this if you require high-temperature welding for more demanding tasks. Now that we've covered all 5 options, you'll definitely find a rod that fits your needs.
We've looked at the 50 pieces flux core aluminum rods for convenience, the Welder E6013 options for reliable performance, the Wisuno for precision, and the Tandeffio for versatility. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your specific needs best. Happy welding!